Hey Queens, welcome back to my channel. Greetings of the day, depending on your time and location. You're most welcome to my channel, Usi Hair Lounge, your go-to destination for latest nail designs and hairstyles. Our channel is all about showcasing the most stylish, trending and inspiring nail designs and hairstyles. So if you're a lover of beautiful nails and hairs, you want to stay updated on latest nail trend, if we've got you covered. So whether you are a nail tech or you're just looking for some inspiration, trust me, we have something for everyone. So just sit and relax and watch this video from beginning to the end. You'll definitely be blown away with the amazing collections that we have compiled just for you, my ladies. So if you're just coming across my video for the first time, don't make today your last. Kindly do subscribe, turn on your bell notification so that you don't get to miss our videos as soon as we upload them in the channel. Thank you so much, my ladies. Today we have carefully selected the most unique and trending acrylic nail designs for my elegant ladies. These are very unique and beautiful nails that you can pick from. So if you're looking for nails like this, you're looking for unique nails, then this is highly recommended for you. Here we have varieties, we have different colors of nails, different shapes and designs. So whichever one you're looking for, we've got it covered. Ensure to watch the video from beginning to the end so that you don't miss out on any of the nail designs, for every slide is given hot like every slide is worth seeing. Watch, select a favorite, and as well share to your loved ones so they can be part of the video as well. And please guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's one way of saying thank you. So please support us by giving the video a thumbs up and also share and comment. Will you be trying any of these nails? Let us know in the comment section. And also looking forward to seeing you again in the next video. Bye.